Good morning. Hi. Long time. Well, not really that long. Today's review, Pivot Firebird. So this one is the 2020 model, I think. But it's quite decked out, kitted out. So we'll have a very quick review on this one. And then you let me know what you think. And then after which we can discuss further in the comments. Alright, take a look. Ew. There you go, peeps. This is the Pivot Firebird 29. I've never done a review on pivots before. Don't have many friends who ride them. This is one of the few. So let's take a look at this bicycle today. And it's quite surprisingly high spec, this one. Well, not surprised, but it's a very high spec bike actually. Sorry, just to cut it short. High spec bike, full stop. Way high spec. So let's go into it. If you look at the wheel set, Reynolds carbon, and I think these are laced with the Industry 9s. I can't remember whether they are the Hydras or Hail Hydra. I can't remember, but these are with the Hydras. Industry 9s, and it's kitted out with DHR2 front and back tires, 203 rotors for the front, this one, and presenting the new 38 Fox Kashima coated as well. It's one of the first few in Singapore to get it at the time, I remember. You know, he wasn't bragging about it, but I was just taking a piss out of him. Very unique ODI sponge ones here, or is it some kind of weird rubber? Very sticky. This one here is the Avid's Exo Trails. I don't know if they can see them, but it's, wow, it's tricked out bling max. Look at that color coordination, see? Silver and silver. Ew! And after which you got a rental cockpit. Stem only. The handlebar is from Pivot itself. As you can see it, the front there. There you go, the other side of the brake set. And after which the shifter, the dropper post is using the wolf tooth. There you go, you can see of course a bit of bling here and there, gold bolts, golden bolts. And this one I think to match the rental, which the Pivot hits at. Going down would be Kashima. And I don't know what saddle this one is. It could be aftermarket Chinese saddles. I think they are normally known as EC90s. Going down will be this puppy over here. I used to have this on my what was it, Norco some time back. My Norco range 7.4. It's beautiful, it works like a charm. XX1 crankset with XTR clippers. There you go. Nice mixing though. He did quite a good job on this one. Nice mixing. 180 on the rear. Again, Reynolds with DHR2s. Tried and trusted DW Link over there. Nice cleaning system there so that the mud will not go in. High-low position. Very nice. Very clean. What do you think? You know, it's quite nice, this one here. On close up it looks really good. Chainstay there. Full Eagle XX1, the lightest I think before AXS. Yeah, so he kitted out this bike some time back, actually about 6 months ago, and beautifully built. Very nice parts, very bling, max bling here. Beautifully color coordinated. I like the color coordination of the bike. Orange here, tan there. Absolutely beautiful. So, what you guys think? You know, yay, nay, comments. I don't know the weight on this one, but I was told that pivots are quite lightly built, so I'm assuming this will be sub 14s or maybe 14 halves. Overall, it's a fully tricked out bike. Everything is Kashima, everything is Fox. It's coordinated with regards to color, it's coordinated with regards to brands, coordinated with regards to what do you call that, series of shock. Kashima. Beautiful. Well, that's all the time I got for you guys. Do comment in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this bike again. Good, no good, beautiful, not beautiful. What you would add, what you would do. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I wish you well. Stay safe, take care. Remember, no bike is a shit bike as long as it makes you smile. Take care now. Ciao.